Alright guys, we're back working on the 2004 Honda Shadow, and what we're going to do today is change the rear end fluid. This bike only has 4,000 miles on it, but it's been sitting for a long time, so I want to change the fluid. I've already changed all the other fluids that are in it, so we want to change the rear end fluid next. So let's get started. Alright, so here's the rear end, the rear housing. We're going to change this fluid. You're going to need a 17 millimeter socket and a 6 millimeter Allen. Now what I generally do anytime I'm changing the fluid like this, I always make sure I can break the fill cap off first before draining the fluid. You're also going to need a little drain pan. I will get that. So let's first make sure we can break this fill bolt loose and make sure we can put fluid back in it. So hopefully you can see that there. And I'm using a deep-well socket because I broke my other 17 millimeter. Okay, so the fill comes right off, so that will be easy to refill with our 90 or our 80 weight fluid or oil, gear oil. So let me get a drain pan and make sure we can break the bottom one loose there to drain it. Alright, so now we're going to set the bike up level and add the oil back to it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little funnel. I'm going to put down a towel or something down here, so I'm going to fill this up until it starts to run out, and then we'll know we're full. I cleaned this container out real good and just put about the same amount of oil in it that I took out, and I'm just going to pour it very carefully in there until try to catch it before it starts coming out where it's even with the threads, but it may start draining out. And I'll lift up on the funnel some so it's not holding against the bottom of the threads and doesn't hold the fluid in there, so you overfill it. Alright, so I poured the whole 7 ounces in there, like came out of it. I'm going to get a flashlight and just see if I can see in there, see if it's even with the threads. Okay, I don't know if you can see in there, but it's almost up to the threads, just needs just a little bit more. So I'm going to add a little bit more to it, but it's pretty close with the 7 ounces that I put in it. So I'm just going to put a little bit more in. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, I put a little bit more in and it's right up even with the threads. So we're going to go ahead and put the fill plug back on, and we'll be done with this job of changing the rear end fluid. Alright, I keep calling it rear end fluid, but final drive. I guess technically it's the rear end. Alright, so we're going to tighten this down. I did not look up the torque specs on this. I'll probably go back through and look them up, but I'm just going to snug it up. I'm not going to overdo it. Alright, so there we go. That's changing the rear end fluid on your Honda Shadow 750. This is a 2004. So we're getting close to being done with this bike and have a few more things to do, but it's looking pretty good. We got all the fluids changed. On the other videos, I've changed the fluid, pulled the carb, cleaned the carb out, and what else did we do on this bike? Changed the oil. So I think and changed all the brake fluid. So I think this is going to probably finish up this part on this bike. So there will probably be more to come. We'll see what else we can find out we need to do on this thing. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Hope this helps you out. This is just a simple changing the final drive fluid if you've never done that before. Hope this helps. Thanks.